Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Miss I98. If you guys are new here, my name is Alexis, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my Halloween bedroom makeover. And without further ado, let's get into this makeover. This is my room before. And this is my room after. For my room, I went for the theme of Day of the Dead. And here you can see I have this flowers, the little Day of the Dead coffin, these rose eyes flowers, as well as these two pictures. For the top of my closet, I have this Day of the Dead skull, this paper flower rose, and this sugar skull girl. And I have garland hanging down. Behind my door, I have this sign that says Day of the Dead with a little sugar skull. And to the right of me, I have this picture with the Day of the Dead lady, and she's holding a fan with some flower headband. I have this flower tissue paper, and as well as this Day of the Dead banner. And on my vanity, I have these tissue paper flowers all across my vanity. And let's see a close-up of these three Day of the Dead sugar skull women. And the first one is in a turquoise dress. She's holding flowers. And out of my vanity, I have this Day of the Dead table runner. The second sugar skull I have is in this purple dress, and she's holding an accordion. In the center of my vanity, I have this Day of the Dead sugar skull dog, as well as this black Christmas tree with pink, purple, blue, and green ornaments. I forgot to mention that on my candlesticks, I have these yellow flower tissue papers. And the last sugar skull is in this pink dress, and she has a little fan like she's waving herself. At the very end of my vanity, I have the dark green flower tissue paper. If you want to see a tutorial on how to make those paper flowers, make sure to comment down below in the description box. And on the sides of my bed, I have these little Day of the Dead statue skeleton figures. And here's what it looks like above my bed. I have all these little Day of the Dead decorations. There's a sign that has Day of the Dead. And here's what my bed looks like. And here's a closer look of my pillows. And here's the other side of my bed, which has the rest of the skeleton Day of the Dead figures. On the side of my bed, I have this hanging picture right here, which is so cute. On my window, I have a his and hers skeleton cutouts. And here is a closer look of them. Very sparkly and pretty. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. In the center of my curtain, I have these sugar skulls hanging down. When you walk towards my vanity, we have two more Day of the Dead skeleton figures, and here's what they both look like. And I also have this Day of the Dead sign with this little car with two little Day of the Dead couples inside, which I thought was so cute. And here's the overview of what my vanity looks like. And here is my Day of the Dead Christmas tree, which has a sugar skull on top and all these colorful ornaments, as well as Day of the Dead skull ornaments that light up, which I thought was so cool. Underneath my tree, I have these two skeletons, which he has a bow tie and a hat, and the woman has a dress on. And a sign that says Dia de los Muertos. Here's what one side of my room looks like. If you guys are interested on seeing what my bedroom looked like last year, I'll make sure to link it down below in the description box, as well as put it on the top corner for you guys, so you guys see which ones you guys like. And here's the other side of what it looks like. And here's the overview of what my whole room looks like. Let me know, you guys, do you like my room this year or do you like my room from last year? Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!